Meet KadiFasta software, the fastest way to design, personalize, and print hundreds of ID cards and badges in minutes. Start with the AI Design Assistant. Just describe the card you want in plain language and watch KadiFasta software turn your idea into a finished design. Then fine-tune everything by hand, dragging elements in, dropping them exactly where you want, and resizing until every detail looks just right. Already have your records? Import them from a spreadsheet, a database, or almost any source, and use the data you already have. The built-in photo editor cleans up every portrait, remove the background in one click, pick a fresh one, and get a crisp, consistent look. Perfected one photo? Now apply the same treatment to every photo at once, with no repetitive work. No scanner, no uploads, no waiting. Snap a portrait straight from your webcam and capture signatures right on the spot. Got a signature scanned on paper? KadiFasta software cleans it up automatically, dropping the background and smudges so it lands sharp and clean on the card. When you're ready, print it your way, export a single card, a full sheet, or the entire batch, ready for any printer. Create and print high-quality ID cards with KadiFasta software. Download it free for Windows and Mac OS at kadifasta.regmail.co.tz. For more information, email regmailtechnology@gmail.com.